Ah, the Jubilee Line, where trains don't just move, they sing. Some people call it chopping. Listen closely. But why does the Jubilee Line train make that sound? It pitches up, then down, then up, then down, like a crazy motor going wrong. Is it something working very wrong? Is it something working very right? It's actually both. The story begins in the late 1980s with a bold risk that brought cutting-edge technology to London's tracks. A decision so daring it sparked controversy. Trains before the 1990s relied on DC, or direct current power, a type of electricity that flows in a single, constant way. Up until this point, DC motors were tried and true technology for trains. However, DC motors in trains were high maintenance and inefficient due to the unnecessary upkeep of the brushes and commutators used in their operations. Listen to this 1972 Bakerloo Line train, and you can hear its crude difference. There's nothing futuristic about this. Meanwhile, AC, or alternating current traction motors, became widely available at a sensible price towards the end of the 80s, and this is where things changed. AC motors require less maintenance as brushes and commutators are absent. They're also more efficient where there's a need for high speed and variable torque. Think of DC current like a battery, steady, straightforward, but limited in efficiency. AC motors, on the other hand, offered speed, power and reliability.